All right, we don't come again, and with big mouth and big hand, I will take welcome you to another exciting episode of Talk this gorgeous and beautiful afternoon. How on a day, how every day go for you. Hope say you see the smile, oh, we understand say plenty things day and we make you they sad, but I beg the smile. Because we want to make everybody with the watch us make you not day very happy and you not day very, very well. On this note, I introduce about myself. My name is still remain Uwi Ehigia Musoy, and I welcome now to another episode of Talk. The ladies them intelligent, beautiful. I don't know why I'm a the gossip. Yes. They're going to cover themselves one by each. This I not see you.
No, I just they realize say actually we don't get anything when they call secrets.
At all.
For her life, she don't get anything when they call secrets. Anyway, my name is Betiana Unweli and welcome on to Talk. We get very casual guests where they join us for Inside Studio today. You want to know who he be? No go anywhere.
My name is Namaka Okudiafo and just be all say. I no gossip. I just do my own JJJ. I try arrange something for you.
All I ask is go to hello.
Yes, my name is Namaka Okudiafo and I wish you a splendid afternoon.
All right, so my own Queen B, and I tell you, today for Body Kaja, we won't get in so you go. Let me you gum body with us from now till 3 o'clock because we get better things to give to you.
I don't know why you asked to bring them down. See, this one are the romantic with the voice.
They learn from you.
I love Ramowi.
Okay.
All right, you don't hear I'm say today go there very wonderful. We get body cajat for you. We get one confirmed guest. We go enter inside the studio today. You know how to be every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Now we carry guests take join body with us for us to enjoy ourselves. So you're gonna need to come body with us till the show finish so that you go know who our guests be for today. And also, we get our cocoa of the day. Our cocoa of the day, they always cause plenty havoc on top internet. And even with us, because Amaka, she's always ready to give us cocoa of the day where we don't understand where she they bring her come out from. But any which way, we appreciate our cocoa of the day. And I know say you see they appreciate our cocoa of the day. Time now we should also talk on top what we carry, on top what they hot today. Me, I don't ready to talk, but the ladies need to give me permission for me to throw away the stories.
Granted.
As always,
Granted.
I give you the chance. If you work check my out.
You two talk. You just say okay.
That's how she always do. I'm a burner.
Wait. I understand. Wait till we talk.
Talk not to talk. No be
That's a talk. And I'm not doing it talk.
Amaka, point of correction. To talk, no be bad
That's
thing,
it,
but make you know what they talk.
So no be gossip.
No, but she know
She
when
say
you
na
dey gossip. No,
I
we know when you.
Yeah, took about enter the team with you.
So you know over you.
All right, the first thing where we get, but not forget if you follow us on top Twitter at Talk Wazobia, talk your own for inside every where we the carry come give you on top within the hot. Now the first story where we get this one concerns one 17-year-old girl where don't fall from building. Why she be the escape by force torchlighting by person where she meet on top Facebook. Now according by the report where we get the talk say one 17-year-old girl where they say for inside Lagos, say she fall from one abandoned 18-story building. Why she be they try to avoid some people them, maybe they try by force torchlighter and possibly use her for rituals by one man where pretends to be her friend on top Facebook. Now we get reports say the victim, this 17-year-old girl, she's still there hospital. They receive treatment on top the injuries where she gets when she fall from that story building. Now, according to the information she give, she talks say she meets this man on top Facebook, and then all of a sudden the man call her. So because she never see the man face to face, she don't know whether now the person now call her or not be the person. But eventually they see. As they see, the man touch her. When the man touch her, she discover say her sense is not going to be normal again. Because the man can drag her, they carry her go the uncompleted building. Later, the man can, as in, if friends even there for the uncompleted building. So they'll be ready for her, really. They'll be ready for her. They don't plan her. So later, at the end of the day, she can realize herself. As they try, when they tell her, she take off her clothes. As they try enter her, the man they try enter her, she can fall down or climb down or anyone will put her jump from the 18-story building. She thought, say she thank God, say she's still alive. But now this her story come because bring this matter come talk. Now, I know say this morning we read them for newspaper when one man come outside talk say internet na curse. I want to ask you this question, but now we go limit them to Facebook. how you see this matter of Facebook? We did say that girl's story go teach her people, Cynthia's story go teach her people, but still people not still they learn from this Facebook. How person fit protect themselves from internet wahala?
Actually, on top of this matter, we don't talk am no be today. We don't talk am over and over and over and over again. Yes, Oyibo people don't do technology where we say, okay, Facebook don't do there for people say, okay, if you dey far, you still feel communicate with your loved ones or meet new people. But if you dey do all these things, you do them with sense. And many parents, I know many parents who don't teach their children say, okay, internet dey, Facebook dey, limit dey to where I go tell you say no do this one, no do that one. Especially for person maybe say you don't reach 17 years old. I believe say the girl don't grow to a certain stage. Make she know her left from her right. But say you can't meet person on top internet, on top Facebook, and then you won't go see the person. Number one, I know advice say she go even go alone in the first place. That's not the first wrong move where she don't make, where she go see the person. Whether the person a fine boy, I been a fine girl, because some of them go even pretend say them be girl, and whereas now man, old man them be. Some feel even be one kind thing where person don't even feel describe. We just need to be very, very careful. Me as a person, I know really. Facebook, the days where say Facebook they save don't pass. Now I not go say really 2 days save. The other day one of our colleagues, Chicken, I saw one person one Yahoo on top the Facebook matter. They tell her he used one white man picture. When they send message say, oh you're very beautiful. Oh you're very this. I'm in USA. I want to come and visit you. And I saw you they work. We need to really, really be careful on top of this internet. You they laugh. On top of this internet thing, we need to be careful. And the children of nowadays, they need to know, say, Facebook, at least the people where you don't know, where they Facebook, they enough. You don't need to meet new people. If you want to meet new people, go outside, meet them one-on-one. So you go know the premise, or be the grounds on which you don't meet the person. Not say you go just meet the abstract person. Because to say bad thing happened to that girl now another story for the
bad thing already happened.
No, this one.
Before she fall.
Now Grace, so.
I tell
But
you,
not bad thing.
Because if it don't worse pass as it happen.
True. I believe it in the thought. If it don't worse pass, but at least she'd already learned her lesson. And maybe, hopefully, another person fit from there learn say, okay, next time Facebook come you at this time, pam for my house because I don't know the person. No, we don't talk. But we know say I go talk him again. I always talk him. We know if they careful, as in we know that if they too careful, no matter how we do them. We know fit, but at least, yes, waiting I don't talk and she don't even already explain what I want to explain. If you know no person, go out. Carry your 2 legs. You get 2 legs, you get 2 hands, you get mouth, you get eye. Carry yourself, go outside. Even if you stroll for road, you go see people who go say, how are you? If you know somebody go party, you there your house, come out, just waka go. Say you want stroll. You go see people who go greet you. You say greet, smile, pass. Small, you go to see some people, but I don't know. Facebook, is they okay? Like she don't talk. Your friends from school, secondary, university,
primary,
alumni. You go meet them for Facebook. If you need new friends, I better go out.
The worst part about this Facebook nowadays, we say they can't get a Facebook call. Where you be say if they get your number, they don't get your number, they will fit contact you. It is very, very wrong. As in, I don't understand the people where even do that Facebook. They need to sit up.
You know what? I actually the reason, as in the same way where you reason I'm not which I the reason. Still, I see the reason I'm because they annoy me. Say some people, especially where you don't know, they will call you on top Facebook. I understand. Say the initiative for that Facebook call, they're very wonderful. Especially for people where their loved one they far away. And if they cheap, you know, they're expensive. All you need to do now to get internet and then feed, they relate. But with the way some people, like now, because of the kind of work we they do, you don't need to select the kind of people where they accept on Facebook. Normally, not just your personal friends if you accept. But now, plenty of people now will accept, and then anybody from nowhere will start to call you. You need to take them easy. If you don't know the person, just
when they talk, they keep quiet. Now we actually put ourselves to those kind, expose ourselves. You know, you feel get your privacy. You know they my Facebook. You know they my Facebook. You know they my Facebook. I choose my Facebook to be like that. I even they go like almost month ending to unfriend some people. Why? Nobody say I today important, today careful. But I just feel say I today important to unfriend you. But I just feel say so far it get level where me don't reach right now. It gets some people where I need to add to myself. Now waiting I think be that.
I know.
Then for security's sake, if you put people where maybe like my Facebook now I get like old school and now all of a sudden you don't they see me for TV and you come crop the picture with another person. Like, oh, I don't know how Tete, blah, 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 blah. Hello. How you want to protect yourself? You don't even get explanation. You know why? Me, I dey look and say, hey, from where me grew up, come here, na different place. So, so inside my head, I don't dey prepare my mind, even though you know if you prepare enough, like Amaka talk. But I tell you, making friends, even the ones where you don't know before, if he do this one to you, the friends where you know, and like you say go party, go places, you go meet people. How sure you did? Because this kind one, if you be say person where know her, now the person add from, because for Facebook you will say you have mutual friend with so person. I don't get person where add me like that, but I go back look for who he relates to. Then after I don't already see the person, I don't see a one-on-one, then I can't contact them and say, so person, and I don't contact them and say, and the wrongest person to ever know. And I say, really? I say, okay, I know how I go take do. I just go empty and say, I beg you, get one number where they tell me, say, make I send money today. I want this number out, me them ban them. And he stopped calling me. He stopped to they call me. So now you go take your own security to your own hand and get places where you go actually want reach out to and places where you no go on. If you want internet call, reach to the person where you know, no be random people. If Facebook they disturb you, delete them. Simple.
True.
I don't delete Facebook from my phone.
No, true. I understand. Say they get some people, some maybe on analysts them, where don't come outside they analyze whether Facebook now or that social media generally or internet now cause or not because. But for me, I see social media as a blessing, especially for you to meet old friends, for you to interact with people. But with the way some people don't turn social media to it, they make person now for you to be very, very cautious, for you to guard yourself. Now we don't hear plenty news where some people don't even die. We thank God for our life, say she not die. But now this one a lesson to a lot of girls where they out there. Take them easy with the way we they know people on top Facebook. I don't see cases where they marry. I don't see cases where they marry, they don't born Peking. But still, just be careful. Like Amaka or Betiana talk, go with somebody. For
Benin, right? Welcome to Osamu Diame and Evelyn wedding. We actually met on Facebook.
No be small thing.
Then they promote them.
Free advice.
Make me move on. Now, for inside one recent interview, now the sexy singer we will know as Shay, she can bring them to this day, talk about her life, her love life, and also the opinion which she gets on top marriage. Now she talk and I quote, she say, I not fit wait to marry. And I know say this one will shock plenty people when they read this message. But I know they bothered if I not marry. Because I go rather day with man where I go be with forever and where he go be with me forever. He said the value of marriage, say they don't wash them up. Say they don't wash the value of marriage. You see, and the way people they marry and divorce, it they make them not be big deal to be together anymore. He say, I'm with someone where they happy with, and I don't know if we go be life partner or not. But for now, I they very happy with the person where I they with. Now with a singer Shay don't come out to talk about our opinion for marriage. Now I want to ask you this question. I know say once in a while with the chip, I mean, it get time where you they worried. Now we be women for you. It get time where you don't ever sit down, you they worried about marriage. Say, make I marry or make I not marry. Make I fashion this marriage of a thing. Don't ever get any time.
Once in a while, Sha. Once in a while. I get some once in a while. You just sit down. This marriage is safe. Basically, I'm married. Tomorrow night I get divorced. I over the thing I say, I go leave this man now. Tomorrow if I marry and night, before you know it go turn to monster. I don't go feed come up for the marriage again now because I don't talk about I don't believe in divorce. I don't believe in divorce. So if I go there, I think I say I go enter this marriage now. When I enter now, the next thing this man go turn me to slave. Because I just do, I don't think I'm my dear. I think I'm, but I agree with everything when she talk.
Yeah.
She know nice words. She gets her not true because sometimes if you just when you marry. With what is happening around us now, because they might say after marriage now, they go divorce. You know, they don't watch the sacredness, I don't know, the value of marriage. Marriage be something very, very sacred, very, very special, beautiful. But with the extent that when you ask yourself to marry, you don't divorce. Within 2 days, you marry today, divorce tomorrow. How about now? You don't make everybody very. I don't care about marriage again. But me, I see the think I'm shall. I go marry. I know thought say I don't want marry. I go marry. I want marry. I love marriage. I believe in marriage, but I don't believe in divorce. So wait till she talk. Do all right, but for me, I go marry.
Yeah, like the one where she talks, say, right now she dey happy with who she dey with, say she dey with somebody. Yes. Enjoy it while it lasts. If you dey happy, enjoy yourself. If he no let you do, cough and come outside. Because by the time you don't dey reach when you don't dey come out, when I don't dey come this show with one eye, with long mouth, Owi, Betiana, no go let me continue for the journey. And me myself go even tell myself, say, I dey guilty. Why? Sister, if you don't reach that level where you know fi bear am again. Yes, I understand, say, we don't watch the value of marriage, but the men themselves don't already change from the fathers. The fathers of those days, no, they carry knife, stabbing wife.
No, but waiting your thoughts the other day.
Yeah, you know, they carry knife, stabbing. So if you dey quarrel with me, push me, tell me, say, you no go give me money for a wrapper for Christmas because I think they punish our parents. I no go buy you the latest wrapper. Kudos to you. You no go August meeting. Yes, I no go. You no go do this one. Yes, I do. But no be say you go come carry knife. That same person, on top of that same woman where you dey stand, talk, say, I love you. You carry knife. Say, I'll kill you. That word, marriage, if now waiting you carry be that, I go tell marriage, stay your own. Serious.
Okay, so my lady Queen Bee don't take them personal. But for me, actually, it get the time where the marriage they disturb me. Where be say most of my friends, especially my classmates, when they begin marry, I can't the one that say, "Ashu, now only me no can say husband marry." So where the husband? I find past most of them, so I can't the one that say, "What's be the issue actually?" But when I can't begin see waiting in the face for inside the marriage, I see say some of them actually know they as happy as I did right now. Some of them never even live a fulfilled life. Let's say the marriage just trap them or capture them for where they. Some of them, when I even see their husbands, and they thank God, say, say I never marry, I still get choice to choose the best amongst the people who still there outside. So right now, I did for inside a very happy place where I say I did happy with myself, I did happy with the people around me. Yes, I go marry, I won't marry. Like Amaka talk, I believe in marriage, and but I not be the person where say if the marriage no they work, I'll keep myself for inside there. I go try to make them work, but like Queen Bee talk, person carry knife or you threaten my life. Hello, love is no day that serious now. We go find love for any other place. Rihanna don't talk and say we dey find love for hopeless places. So love no dey that hard. Not be like diamond where we go to use torchlight. Fine. So I actually agree with everything we she talk. If the marriage come, fine. If it not come,
life goes on.
Life goes on.
Yeah, the bottom line be say make you need to stay happy with yourself and stay happy with the person where you deal with before at a point now come decide say una want marry. I dey always talk am sometimes when we dey around women. I'll say sometimes not just for us to bear the name or born pikin. Now they make some girls want quickly marry. You understand? Eh?
No, but not true. Get one of my friends where married recently. She married. She don't born pikin. And funny enough, now this girl, the same girl that always they use and do example every time because her own marriage, they very sploofic. When she married this guy, yes, she really loved the guy, and then she can't born pikin. So when I go to the house, go see the pikin, the first thing she tell me say, say she dey happy, say she don't born no, say she born early because she's still very young. She be like 23, 24. Now she can't talk. Say she don't born pikin now. Say she don't calculate the age. Say when her pikin don't reach 20, say she go be like 40-something years, and she go still there very young.
Yeah,
now what she they look with that? I look and I shake my head because apart from that, she know they happy inside the marriage.
Actually, we make her no talk. I won't talk. You know, say they talk say we don't know all our life, but I'll tell you. The relationship where I dey inside now, where I find myself, I not actually enter and say I dey in love. It grow.
All right. Thank you very much, Queen Bee. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Queen Bee. Thank you. Thank you.
Be serious. But it grow with time. I can't get to like. You got to like yourself.
Yes.
Like, yes. Can I stay with black?
Okay.
Actually, I say black fits me. I can't learn. Okay, this one I waiting black.
But now you love the man where you deal with now. You are very happy. You see, you see the bling bling where
show them again.
Show them again. All right, no. But the thing, bottom line, we say you need to be ready mentally. Not be just for you to just bear the name Mrs. or for you to bear the name Mr. Like yo for Wazobia FM. Don't come outside talk say some men they look for wife material. When you never make yourself groom material. Yeah. Like what you talk, you go marry a woman today, tomorrow you start to beat her.
Yeah.
Tomorrow you not fit put the woman first before you. No, you know what I'd always talk say for men we don't marry, where your family know they come first before you. Then you not be man where you don't ready to marry.
You just want
when you marry, you go take away yourself and your family, especially when you don't born.
Hi.
The happiness and the comfort of your child and your wife need to come first before your own comfort. I don't want to really take them because really this one's something where if you give me time, I need to talk to most men where they out there. They need to understand.
Then some of them go come to say, oh, we don't turn to marriage counselor.
Yeah, you understand? So I'm waiting for me to marry. When I marry, then I'll start to do all my. But I like what she actually talk about marriage. Now,
Yes,
actually good thing. They're happy first. When you're happy, then we'll go decide to settle down. We're going to need to buy some more break, but you enter Twitter at Wazobia, go talk your own for there, and we go to relate with you with the comeback.